Stick around for this one, guys, because we are about to get a lesson on how to not connect your RV battery.
Did I really not take a picture of it? But this one throwing me off because it's...
Do you want me to Google it?
this guy right here. Okay, tires are good. What's next?
Next. Battery?
Yeah, let's look at the battery. I'm assuming both of these go to the positive? And these go to the negative? That's what I'm assuming. Battery's on this side, dummy.
Hey, dummy. And how did we keep, what did we do with the battery for the 6 months that we had it?
Put it on a trickle charger.
And what does that do?
Keeps the charge up on it. Because with these, this type of battery, if you let it go down all the way and then try to bring it all the way back up, you shorten the lifespan of that battery. So you got to try to keep it close to a full charge.
Did you find your screws?
Yeah, they're in there. I probably should have took a picture of this. But I mean, that makes sense to me that these will go to negative. And these will go to positive. Did I really not take a picture of it?
I don't know.
So I'm guessing one goes to the solar and this one goes to the things inside the camper.
Where's the solar?
And I'm guessing that's what this is as well. But this one throwing me off because it's
red and black. Where's the solar connector?
In here.
How does it connect?
You can't see it. I mean, you can't see the cabling from it unless you take it apart.
Well, I meant, like, how does that connect to it in there?
Down through this, all this mess. I don't know.
Oh, so it still connects here.
Yeah, it has to. Yeah, so it can charge. So it can keep it kind of like a trickle charger.
I'm not an idiot. Okay.
I just
Why don't do you want me to Google it?
Yeah, let's do that just so we don't short something out.
I want to. You've got black stuff on your face? Oh, this is so much easier than the other ladder.
I know. Than that stupid telescoping ladder thing.
Okay.
Does it look like a roof?
It does.
Okay. That was a bit of a mess, wasn't it?
Yeah, we haven't hooked up our battery yet.
Stupid battery.
Better safe than sorry.
No, absolutely, because if you reverse the polarity for even a short amount of time, bad things will happen. So I know where the two main one goes. You know, I know where they go, the red and black one, but then there's another red and there's one that's red and black. So where do they go? I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
So I may actually call Grand Design and say, listen.
It might be in their manual.
Yeah. I'm probably overthinking this, but I don't know why I didn't take a picture of it before. Why wouldn't I have done that?
I don't know. Maybe, I think we would have.
It's 100% something I would have done. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe I deleted it by accident. Who knows? It doesn't matter anymore, does it? It doesn't matter. Just have to figure it out. And then once we figure it out, we'll know for sure. Forever.
We'll put it in the notes section.
Forever. All right, wanted to give you guys an update on the battery situation. Here's what we got. So I looked in the owner's manual. There ain't nothing in there about how you're supposed to hook this thing up. So I Googled it. Not much there either. So I called, first I tried to call Grand Design technical support. They're closed on the weekends, so that's fun. So I called General RV tech support, and they didn't have an answer. If you can believe that, they did not have an answer as to what this cable is. Let me show you. This guy right here. It's red and black. And that's it. Dude did not have an answer. He did not know anything about what that cable is, where it goes. So what I ended up doing is I used AI, and I asked AI, gave him the make and model, the year, and what was going on, what I was trying to do, and it broke it down for me and said that that was either a solar controller cable or a breakaway switch. I don't think it's a breakaway switch because it doesn't go to that. It goes straight into the pass through here. So I'm assuming it's for solar, and it says it goes to positive. So that's what I did. And everything seems to be working so far. So that's an update on that. Just thought I'd let you know. Okay, now we're back inside. It is warm in here. Look at this, it is 90 degrees. Can't turn the AC on though. Battery's hooked up. We're good there, I think. I think we've got power. Everything seems to be working. All right, let's go turn the water on so we can make sure everything's good to go. Okay, here we go. This is the worst part. Oh, we're spewing. Well, that's not great already. Must not be in there tight enough. Hold, please. Okay, that's better. And the reason I'm using a bucket, because I just don't feel like, we're not going camping for another week. I don't feel like having all that stuff sit in the gray tank. That's pretty much it. So I'm using this disposable bucket. Disposable bucket. That's not a disposable bucket. Collapsible bucket. That's it. All right, I'm going to dump this, and then we'll... Almost forgot. Something very important to make sure we can do. What's going on? Oh, okay. You look like you had a very concerned look on your face.
No, I'm squinting from the sun.
Okay, good. We gotta look at this thing. The on-demand water heater. The leaks? I don't see any leaks. Oh, that reflection scared me. I don't know if you guys can see that reflection on the wall. I thought water was spewing back there. No, I think we're good.
You got filth all over your face.
Because of rugged.
No, Jesus.
Okay, so update. We were wrong. So was the general RV tech. And so was AI. After connecting that red and black, it was one cable, and it had both red and black on it. After talking to the general RV tech, using AI, everything said connected to the positive terminal. So that's what we did. We did that. Everything in the camper worked. The solar charge controller wasn't working right. It would power, but we kept getting errors. So we reset it a couple different ways, soft reset, hard reset. Looked through I don't know how many articles, got on Facebook groups, posted it there. No one knew. So finally we were like, you know what? We're just going to move that cable and see what happens. Moved that cable to the negative terminal, and voila. Everything worked. Charge controller works now. So if anybody's curious what cable I'm talking about, say so down in the comments and I'll let you know exactly what it is. Yeah. So that's the update on that. Everything, the water seems to be good. All the pipes seem to be good. Pups are getting reacquainted with the camper.
Well, you kids know. Yeah, you're so excited. You love camping.
All right, guys. I think that's going to do it for this one. Trying to make it short and sweet. Going camping for 3 nights next week on our maiden voyage this year. No more cruise ships right now.
176 days till our next cruise.
Yeah, we're doing another one. So,
Goose,
you better get off there.
get down. Get down.
D-
Down.
Hey. Oh my God. She's real bad. She's real bad. Okay. All right, say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.